All right, our new B-D Archery sight came in. Go ahead, Khloe, let's take a look.
Now I'm gonna open the guide. Oh yeah.
All right, can you pull it out?
There's pocket tomato.
It's a nice box, huh?
Yeah, it's even we got in here. Oh, everybody.
Wow.
What's up, everybody?
What parts do we got?
Maybe we got the little talent.
The scope?
Yeah, there you
Wow, it's a nice scope with a light on the side.
go. Oh, look at it.
The .19 dot and fiber inside.
Like,
Very nice.
and that.
That's the attachment for the scope.
Look at it.
This is the body of it. We got 5-inch extension.
Yeah, look
And a
what
range of adjustment.
Wait,
A
guys.
6-inch.
Let me show you what it does.
She wants to show you what it does.
Like bend, and like.
All right, let's put it together so they can see what it looks like.
And it cover letter 80 count. And it comes the pocket up.
Man, this thing is machined so nice.
And you like put it up and up. It has a little matey code guide. But
What is this for?
I don't know. I already asked them.
What is it for? Where does it go?
Good. A little pocket you put
Is that the cover? Yep.
Yeah, and like the little AT code.
What else did he give you? Stickers, huh? Got the Davis stickers.
Yeah.
Some extra cards to hand out at your 3D tournament.
Yeah, BD tournament.
Man,
Code.
I can't wait to see what it looks like on your bow.
Date and
Isn't that
and
awesome?
a pretty cool yacht.
That is the coolest, huh?
And open a cool bag and oh, hi, look at without Bunny and Quiddy.